Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Ernst, and today we are looking at Tuesday for week 34. So for Tuesday for week 34, we have Tony Hale for Read Aloud. And then this week we're going to be working on our superhero writing. So what I would like you to do is think about, if I could have a superpower, what would it be? And then you're going to go ahead and work that. Now this does not have to be finished today. It's actually going to be due on Friday. We're going to do the same thing we did last time where the kids shared their writing on Friday. So you're going to kind of go through this writing with them. Honestly, I think the best way to do this writing and easily set it up is do 1, 2, this one day, Tuesday, this Wednesday, this Thursday. So this Tuesday, this first part Tuesday, this part Wednesday, and this part Thursday, okay? And then on Friday, and then the kids will get to read their reasoning behind it, okay, on Friday. So we've got that going on. We have a What Am I? This is just a video, a little game. It's not a video game, I'm sorry. It is a video of a game they can play with me. We have the last of Pirate Week with Cassie Steffens. And we have the art sensory board still up here for you guys. If you have already done this whole board, redo it. Make a new copy and redo it. We have a Mojo lesson here for you guys to watch. And then we also have a Studies Weekly for weather. So we have our magazine for this week, and it's about weather. And the assignment you're going to have to do is, what would you like to do if it was snowing? So for example, if you would like to make a snowman, write several sentences describing what you made and things you could do in the snow. So this person made a snowman using supplies that they had around their house. Shaving cream, cotton balls, there's paper clips. So you could do that, but what I want you to do is create what you would do in the snow, write sentences, and draw a picture and create a picture. You could do what this person did and actually create the physical thing using objects around your house, or you could draw. That's up to you. As always, remember my contact information is down here. QR codes if the links do not work, or you just like using the QR codes. Everything is for you. You guys have a great, fabulous Tuesday. Bye.